Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Today in our video review, you can see how to select, or you can easily appreciate how to select the valid ICT order block for a specific entry. So as you know, our previous video is all about the valid fair value gap, how to select or how to choose the specific base valid fair value gap for entry setup. But in this video today, you can easily see how to identify or how to select ICT valid order block for a specific entry, whether it's short or buying. So inshallah a wannan bidiyon a wannan review din namu za ku ga yadda order block, yadda za ka yi selecting ɗin ta wuce order block. You have to select wacce ya kamata ka ɗauka, wanne ne ya kamata kuma ba za ka yi amfani da shi ba. So as you know, still we are in bearish, but for the first time you have to understand, whenever you come to market, first identify which direction you are. Are you in bearish condition or bullish condition from higher time frame, which is top down analysis, top downs? So you have to put in your mind, whatever you are in market, like from higher time frame, like let's say from daily, you are in bearish up to like maybe 4 hour, 1 hour, like that. So up to the 15 minutes you are entry, or 5 minutes, is depend your trading style. So it depends your trading style, but at least you have to understand the market structure, which is very important, and time. I'm always talk about. So like you see here, we are still in bearish, we are in 1 hour time frame. So but the thing is, you can see here is, this is our what, here is our 15 minute, which is zero drawdown. It's like zero drawdown setup, like investing 5 pip, 20 pip, which is 20, which is what, 1 into 4, like I risk in 5% kasamu times 4, like 20 pip, like scalping setup. So which is good for retail traders, to scale your profit for the day, which is perfect. So as you can see here, let's go back to the like 15 minutes so that for you to see it clearly. Like here, let's see, just this is the setup that I want to show you. So what you can see here, we are still in bearish from higher time frame, and then market, what did market is, this is previous, this level, as you can see here, is fair value gap as a previous. Then market chalk, and then what, consolidation, retracement, like that, and then market break, and then retracement to the specific zone again, and then market start moving rally to downside with this specific zone, and then what market do next, retracement, because you are still in bearish, right? But one thing I can advise you is, you have to know your bias every day. Like after knowing your market structure, like you are in bearish before or you are in bullish condition, understand your daily bias again. So wannan da kuke gani kenan, our target is this level, which is 20 pip, and then you can still take maybe 1.5 of your position and wait market to this previous daily low. But for safe, 20 pip is enough for you, which is perfect for the day. As you can see here, this like a live trade, this is our live trade. So we are reviewing it right now before we close our session, so for the day. So here you can see, like I told you before, hit this level, and then market was rally down, and then what, up to this is our 15 minutes. As you can see here, this is our 15 minutes fair value gap. if you know how to use Fibonacci retracement, like ICT Fibonacci retracement, you can use it as well. But in our next video, we can maybe show how to use it, how to apply it in a specific concept, because like we have like optimal entry, like here you can see is a optimal entry, OTC, like I know optimal entry, as you can see here. So before we enter this market, what is happening? Or before like wannan setup din mun same shi, mun san cewa market din we are in bearish, right? So and then market do what? Identifying market structure, break of structure, and then market what did here specific this level, and then market retracement to our specific fair value gap, which is 15 minutes again, and market create low again. This is boss break of structure, which is known as like inducement, like that, chalk change of character like that, and then market rally off, take liquidity like that, like break of structure, and then market create what? Here is our sell side liquidity. This is minor sell side, which is market, which is our today target. You can put M just like that, minor sell side liquidity, that, and then down button, and then to the left like this, so you can easily see it here. It increase the color. So this is our minor buy side liquidity. This is our sell buy side liquidity. This is our what? Major, which is previous daily low. We are expecting market to reach our what? Previous daily low. Sell side. Which is perfect. So like I told you here before, market rally down, and then we are expecting market to come back this level, what? Our 15 minute order, our 15-minute order blow, as you can see here. Can you see the level? Watch this level, watch this close, 4116. This, sorry, not close, 4198. This opening price, this is close up, this is here down opening, and then 4098. Can you see? 4098. So this is our what? 15-minute fair value gap, which is valid fair value, as you can see here, just like zero drawdown. Can you see? 4098 is in 5 pip, and then 20 pip. So wannan kenan for the day. But if you can take like more risk, you can leave the market to come to previous daily, which is 25 pip, which is times 5. Still market can easily reach the level. Let's see, and let's watch to see what is gonna happen now, because we know we are in bearish, like this is like zone, you know. We'll go back to 55 minutes to see what is happening. Can you see this level? Just like when you go back 5 minutes, you can easily appreciate this as a like a bearish breaker, like that. This bullish, bullish breaker, this level like that. Sorry, bearish breaker, okay. this level. So close candle, opening candle 98 is closing 86. This is per minute, this is our 15-minute. So wannan kenan, idan har kullum za ka fahimci a market ɗinka take, a wani direction kake a market, ina market take, from where, you know, from where the market comes and where it is going to, you know. So if you can understand, and also timing, yeah, I'm always saying like that, but you have to choose what session you can trade, like a wani session za ka dinga trading misali. Is it London session, or yeah, London kill zone, or just like New York session, yeah, or in between like that, or lunch hours like that. So you have to choose, you know, you have to have the what trading plan. As I told you before, or even yesterday, you know, I thought this, you have to have the what, the trading plan. It's all about what your trading session, your risk management, your risk reward. Like, yes, it's part of risk management, and then your specific, like as you know, we call it mechanical edge, as you know. So you have to have the mechanical edge also. Whenever you come to the market, you have to know what you are looking for a specific entry or target set, you know, for the day. Like, are you looking for fair value gap? Are you looking for other block? Are you looking for other thing, like in buying fair value gap, buying other block, like that? Then lot of things, you know. So we have many things that help you, yeah, to secure some profit or to understand the market still, if you are beginners or intermediate or even advanced. So I think this is for today. Then in our next video, maybe tomorrow, or I'm not sure, you can see, or maybe I'm not sure, but in the future we will start running the live trade, that for you to benefit as a retail trader. Okay, but still watch this level. We are expecting market may come this previously, but for today we are secure our target, which is 20 pip, risking 5 pip and then 20 pip for today. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friend. And then we are running the free mentorship. You can join the link in our video description, which is our Telegram channel. You can easily join. Even you are Hausa or even you are speaking English, we are trying also. So you can easily, we are doing the free mentorship in each Saturday. Okay, see you next.